Good morning, boys and girls. I'm going to go through with you your grammar skills worksheet, pages 1 and 2. Now let's look at the explanation first on determiners. So what are determiners? Okay, they help nouns refer to specific objects and they come at the beginning of a noun phrase that determines both the reference as well as the quantity. Quantity means how much, how many. Now basically what is a noun phrase also? Okay, a noun phrase refers to, for example, it has a determiner, an adjective and a noun. Okay, so example, lots of yummy ice cream. So lots of is the determiner, yummy is the adjective, and ice cream is the noun. So it's a whole phrase, a noun phrase, lots of yummy ice cream. Okay, so there are different types of determiners, and the, some, many, much, no, this, that, these, those, his, her, their, our. Okay, so let's look at the first question. Could you bring me blank books I left in the garden? So this person, the I who is talking, is telling someone to bring the books that he had left in the garden. So it would also tell you that he is not in the garden at the moment. Okay, another thing we need to take note of is the noun. Okay, the noun in itself, right, is in the plural form, many books. Okay, because there's the S. All right, now so it would not be this because it's singular and it's referring to something that is nearby. That is also singular, it's referring to something that is far away. These is plural, okay, but it is referring to something that is close by. So the best answer would be those. Could you bring me those books I left in the garden? Okay, next one. The sun rises from the east. There are not blank students in the classroom, so students, plural. There are not, so plural countable, so there are not many students in the classroom. Here, this is the clue. What are blank toys doing here? Okay, so what are these toys doing here? Next one. This is the present that I have chosen for her. Let's move on to page 2. Now in page 2, stay away from blank wall opposite the library. It's just been painted. Mrs. Lim warned her children. Okay, the clue here is opposite the library. So how many walls are there? It is only one wall, one specific wall. Okay, so the library is opposite, the wall is opposite the library. So stay away from that wall opposite the library. It's just been painted. This it would be it has just been painted. The children, question 7, the children put their books on the table. Children, plural. Okay. Do you know the owner of blank pen I'm holding? Susan asked her classmates. Okay, so Susan is currently holding the pen at the moment. So do you know the owner of this pen I am holding? All right. Okay, now quantifiers based on the examples given on page 1. Let's try question 9. Okay, I decided not to buy the toys as there were many people in the long queue. The coffee is so sweet. It has too much. Now, why is it we can't use many? Because sugar is an uncountable noun. Okay. I have blank time to spare, so I cannot help you, which means that you have no time. So I have no time to spare, so I cannot help you. Michael has blank friends at his new school. Now, new school means that he probably has no friends, or he probably doesn't know anyone there. Given time, he will definitely make a few more. So Michael has no friends at his new school, or little friends at his new school. Okay, not many. All right. Now, next one, read the passage and circle or highlight the determiners. So once upon a time, so is a determiner. There lived a cloth merchant in a village with his wife. So his possessive and 2 children. So 2 is a quantifier. Okay. Indeed quite well off. So they had a beautiful hen which laid an egg every day. It was not an ordinary egg, rather a golden egg. But the man was not satisfied with what he used to get daily. The man wanted all the golden eggs at one go. Okay, boys and girls, I hope you've done your corrections. I'll see you again. Thank you and have a good day. Goodbye.